Unlock the secret that top marketers use to turn their websites into money-making machines. In the next few minutes, you'll discover the exact SEO techniques that can skyrocket your affiliate earnings. Stay tuned to learn the tips others won't share and watch your profits soar. Alright, so you're looking to boost your affiliate earnings, right? Well, let's talk about the backbone of any successful SEO strategy: keyword research. At its core, keyword research is about understanding what terms and phrases your potential visitors are typing into search engines. This knowledge empowers you to create content that meets their needs and brings them to your site. So why is keyword research so critical for affiliate content? When you know which keywords your audience is searching for, you can tailor your articles, reviews, and blog posts to match those exact search queries. This not only helps your content rank higher on search engine results pages, but also makes it more likely that visitors will engage with your content and ultimately click on your affiliate links. Think about it: if you write a review on the best gaming laptops, wouldn't it make sense to target keywords like top gaming laptops 2023 or best budget gaming laptops? These specific keywords are what potential buyers are Googling. By focusing on them, you align your content with their searches, making it more relevant and attractive. Now, here's the kicker. Keyword research isn't a one-time task. Search trends evolve, and so should your keyword strategy. Regularly updating your keywords ensures that your content stays relevant and continues to attract traffic. So how often do you think you should revisit your keyword list to keep up with changing trends? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Keyword research is your ticket to unlocking a floodgate of potential traffic to your affiliate site. First things first, let's dive into some methods you can use to find the right keywords. One of the simplest ways is to use a keyword research tool like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush. These tools provide insights into how often particular keywords are searched for, giving you a snapshot of their popularity. But it's not just about finding popular keywords. You need to think about user intent. What is user intent, you ask? It's understanding what the searcher is really looking for. Are they trying to buy something, find information, or look for reviews? For example, someone searching for best gaming laptops 2023 is likely looking to compare models and make a purchase, while someone searching for how to improve gaming laptop performance is probably seeking tips and tricks. This distinction can guide you in crafting content that satisfies their needs. Next, you want to consider the competition level for your chosen keywords. High competition keywords are tougher to rank for, so it's worth finding a balance between search volume and competition. Lower competition keywords, often called long-tail keywords, might have less search traffic, but can be easier to rank for and often attract a more targeted audience. Tools like Moz's Keyword Explorer can help you identify these less competitive gems. Remember, keyword research isn't just a one-off task. It's something you should revisit regularly to adapt to changing trends and user behavior. When you keep your keywords fresh, your content stays relevant and continues to draw in traffic. So now that you have some foundational methods for finding and assessing keywords, what's your next step? How will you start your research journey? So you're probably wondering, how do you actually use these keywords in your affiliate content? Well, let's break it down. First off, when writing a blog post, sprinkle your primary keyword naturally throughout the text. Aim for a keyword density that feels organic, not too much, not too little. Try to include it in the title, the first 100 words, and naturally within your headings and subheadings. This not only helps search engines understand your content, but also signals to readers that they're in the right place. In product reviews, your goal is to turn readers into buyers. Use keywords to connect with your audience and address their concerns. For instance, if your keyword is best noise canceling headphones, make sure it appears in the title and describe the product features in a way that solves the reader's problem. Use related keywords and different variations to make the text flow better and seem more natural. Now, when it comes to product guides, these are gold mines for keywords. Use a mix of primary and secondary keywords to cover all aspects of the product. Include your main keyword in the introduction and structure your guide with subheadings that incorporate secondary keywords. Explain the benefits, features, and usage tips, all while keeping your language customer-centric. Remember to think like your audience. What questions are they asking? What problems are they facing? Here's a pro tip. Try to use keywords in image alt text and meta descriptions as well. These are overlooked areas that can also contribute to your SEO efforts. Plus, including keywords in captions or image titles can make your content even more accessible and easier to discover. So these are your go-to strategies for naturally integrating keywords into your affiliate content. Which of these tactics are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments.